Alright guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I will explain to you how you can be profitable by choosing the right spot for your take profit. A lot of people have asked me that how can they set their take profit, and I told them severally that setting your take profit the is the easiest thing. But the problem is a lot of us are actually greedy. So in this video, which is going to be brief, I'll be explaining to you how you can actually set and take profit. So if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and excuse me, click the bell button so that you get notifications whenever we upload awesome videos like this. And also make do to help yourself by making use of these links here to join our Telegram free signal group, to join our free trading course. If you want to learn more about trading, just join here. And also you can also reach me on WhatsApp if you have any questions, or if you want to purchase the trend trailer indicator, or if there's anything you want to discuss with me, you can do that on my WhatsApp. Now all these links are also in the description below, so it's easier for you. Just go to the description below and just click on them, and straight right away it takes you to where you ought to be. All right, so now how do you set the take profit quickly? Now this video is going to be straightforward. I'm not going to be beating around the bush. What you need to understand is the Fibonacci tool. As for me, I usually like to use the Fibonacci tool to set my take profit. Now take for instance, let's assume that I enter the market at this level. Yes, notice a downtrend. Let's assume I place a sell trend around here. What I do is I look at the previous swing. All right, this is the previous swing. That's this from here to here. So I use my Fibonacci tool. If you don't know how to use the Fibonacci tool, just go to my channel and you just check my channel, KOSB Finance, and search for Fibonacci tool. You will see how you can actually make use of the Fibonacci tool. So here I'll just so the Fibonacci tool, you draw it from the beginning of the previous of the swing to the end of the previous swing. Yeah, from the beginning of the previous swing to the end of the previous swing. Now you can see that 0 is the top because it's a sell trend. The previous swing says a sell trend, so the previous swing is going to be an upward swing. All right, so I'm selling, so this is the previous swing upwards. So you can see that Fibonacci tool has helped me demarcate them into percentages: 0, 23.8 and all whatnot. So basically I make use of the 50%. And sometimes I usually, if I want to be a bit greedy, I use the 61.8, but I don't always go below the 61.8. Sometimes even when I give signals, so maybe those in the group, what I usually do is I could give them TP1 as 50% and TP2 as 61.8%. Yeah, so that's how I actually do my trading. So let me just show you another example, then we're out of here. All right, so trust me, if you can abide by these rules, you will be in profit. Most of the times I'm off the screen when my take profit is being hit. All right, so now let's look at this other scenario. Now consider this kind of market. You can see, let's assume that you can see this is an uptrend. Now a lot of persons will say the profit is small, but nevertheless abiding to rules is what makes you successful in the market. Now this is an uptrend. You can see it's an uptrend, and let's assume that the market has pushed up to this level and pulled back here. Now I now want to enter at this point here. which is the next bull run of this uptrend. So this is my entry. So let's assume that my entry is here. So how do I set my Fibonacci 2? Now do not forget that I'm expecting this to happen. So where's my previous swing? This is my previous swing. All right. And where's the beginning of my previous swing? This is the beginning of my previous swing, and this is the end of my previous swing. So you click your Fibonacci 2 and you draw your Fibonacci from the beginning to the end. All right. So this is my entry, this white line here. Then my exit will be on this 50 right here, which is here. All right. So from here to here would have been my take profit. And like I said, if I want to be greedy, if I want to take a TP2, that is take profit 2, it will be 61.8, which is here. So at most, this will be my this is where I put my take profit at most. And no matter what happens, even if the market goes times 10, you know, above my TP, I basically don't care. All I'm concerned about is sticking to my formula, and that is how I actually trade and take profit in the market. So basically, if this was helpful for you, you could actually share this video with your friends. You might have friends that are actually having problems with their trading and actually setting their take profit. So just quickly, you can share this video with your friends. And also, if you're new to this video, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to click the bell button so you get notifications whenever we upload awesome videos like this. And do not forget to check the description below for each of these links. Yeah, I implore you that you also take this free course. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to really help you a lot. So, and do not forget that if you want to purchase the trend trailer indicator, awesome trailer indicator that helps you to trade whenever you like, without you waiting for signals, without you even being on your screen all the time. Part of things are going to be giving you in the indicator is my strategy of how to trade indicator, and I'm going to be giving the indicator itself. I'm also going to be teaching you how you can actually set up the indicator on your mobile phone to get alerts. So you'll be getting alerts on your phone even when you're off your screen. You know, a lot of persons have been having problems on how to actually get alerts, yeah, on their phone. That is getting alerts from indicators on their PC, you know, moving those alerts to your phone so that you can be anywhere and you can get those alerts. I'm going to be teaching you that also in when you purchase the indicator. So and I'm going to be showing you how you can actually run away or guide against false signals when trading the indicator. So it's a full package for you. So I hope this video has been helpful, and do not forget to subscribe. If you're new, come out here, and I promise you're gonna win being part of the family. So I'm going to see you in the next video, and take care. I'm Leke, KOSB Finance. Bye for now.